What's good, guys? Today we're going to be filming a day in the life of a 22-year-old entrepreneur. I run a couple different 6- and 7-figure businesses. My main business is in the real estate sector, doing wholesale and fix and flip, and then my other businesses pertain to personal branding and e-commerce. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly a day in the life of me running my companies and what I do day to day. That being said, normally I start my days walking around here getting some sun, and then I go ahead and I head to my office. My office is literally right over there, like 3 minutes away, on the Scottsdale private airport. It's right on the runway over there. So I just head over to the office and I start my day. So let's go downstairs to my place, let me grab my stuff, and then we'll head to the office. All right, now we're down here at my place. What's crazy, guys, is this is a $1.6 million condo that I live in at 22 years old, which is just absolutely crazy. I've been living in this building for the past 3 years. This was on my vision board to have an awesome spot like this in a super nice building, and I've been able to make it happen, which is super amazing. It's not cheap, but it's worth it. This building has like everything you could possibly want. They have a hot tub, cold plunge, steam room, sauna on the roof, and downstairs by the gym, a full running track on the roof. They literally have everything, an infinity pool with crazy McDowell Mountain views. I live at the Optima here in North Scottsdale, and I absolutely love it. But that being said, I'm working on buying a house out here in South Scottsdale now. Pretty big house on a big lot that I'm gonna fully remodel and move into soon. So that's what I'm working on. So I won't be here that much longer, but I've absolutely loved living here. Over here, guys, I've got like I've got 2 like master bedrooms, and in this one I have my office. So y'all have probably seen my YouTube videos right here with this view. This is like where I film all my YouTube videos lately. And yeah, it's been super dope being able to film videos here. But that being said, let me grab my stuff and we'll head to the office. Also, guys, make sure you comment down below if you want me to make more vlogs like this, more like day in the life videos. If you want me to make more of them, I will do them twice a month. So let me know down in the comments below, but let's head to the office. All right, which one should we take? That's the decision I gotta make every day, but quite frankly, guys, I pretty much only drive the Bronco because it's a pain in the ass getting in the vet, but for the video today, we'll take this, but most of the time I'd be taking the Bronco, I gotta be honest. Let's get it though. All right, guys, we're headed to the office. I don't like to work from home because I feel like I can't lock in as much. I don't get as much work done. I'm just not as productive. So I highly recommend, guys, that you have like another location to go work at. Also, all my businesses that I'm building are real businesses, brick and mortar businesses, right? I have a physical location, I have staff. So real business, that's what I'm focused on. None of this stuff that is a sham, you know, I'm not some get rich overnight thing, not at all. I'm playing the long game, building real businesses. I have a physical location, I have staff, all that. And so yeah, I love being able to go to the office rather than working from home. I get a lot more done that way. So yeah, we're a few minutes away. Once we're there, I'll give you a quick tour of the office and then we'll get right into the workday. All right, so we're here. Let me give you a full tour of my spot. So first, when we come into the office, we've got a reception area. Then over here, I have a big bullpen area where I'm able to fit a lot of sales guys. And then over here, we got a few executive offices. This is my disposition manager, Sean. He's making a call right now, so we'll leave him be. But then this is my office right here. I love my office. It's super big, and I've got great views of McDowell Mountain and everything. And then over here, we've got a full like gym that we put in here in the kitchen, which is super dope. And then over here, I've got my studio. So if you guys have been watching my YouTube channel for a long time, you probably remember like 80% of my videos were filmed right here. Right now I've been filming at home and we're rebuilding this studio. So we'll have a new set in here soon. And then I've got some more executive office back here. But yeah, that's the spot. It's about 1,700 square feet, which is a pretty big office. I'm able to fit up to like 15 team members here if I max it out. So definitely able to, you know, scale and grow here, no problem at all. I love working here. I've been in this office for about 4 years and it's served me super well. I've been able to go from doing about 500K in revenue per year to 7 figures in this office. So this office has been a game changer for me. And guys, I've only got a few team members right now, but I'm looking to hire, and later in this video, you're actually gonna have an opportunity to apply to work with me here. So make sure you stick around towards the end of the video so you can see how you can work here. But with that being said, let's get started with the work. We just had something good happen. We got a deal closed. The seller just signed with the notary, so everything's locked into place. Buyer wired money, so it's gonna record, and we're gonna get paid on a $7,000 deal. The seller just emailed me, it's done, thank you both for everything. I can't believe it's finally over. This deal took like 3 months to get done, so the seller's super happy. Let's go let Sean know that, that it's all locked into place. Yo, Sean, oil well, she signed with the notary, so deal's done. Let's get it, 7K. On to the next deal. And as you can see, Sean's just working on right now selling a bunch of other deals.
It's a JV.
And this is a JV deal right here in Galveston, Texas. So if you guys have any deals that you are struggling to sell, there's a link down below in the description where you can send your deals directly to me and my team. And me and Sean will personally help you sell your deals for top dollar. So click the link down below, send Sean your deals, he'll call you up, and he'll help you sell your deals to our buyers. Okay. Let's get it. On to the next deal. All right, now I'm gonna jump into a meeting with my team member that's out in New York. I'm partnered with a couple guys that live in New York, and we work together on a few different projects. And we are going to be running hiring ads on Meta and Facebook. So I'm gonna be going over with Mark, my team member, on how we are going to run these ads on Meta and Facebook to hire people. Let me show you the ad that we filmed and that we're gonna be running ads on. Let me pop up the ad right now. My name is Jacob Blank. I've closed over 500 real estate transactions and I've made a ton of money in real estate, but everybody around me is absolutely making a ton of money as well. And I have a massive earning opportunity for you that you're not gonna wanna miss. I'm currently hiring salespeople for my real estate company. Let's go inside and talk to the current team and see how they're doing. Hey Sean, what's the best month you've had here?
Best month I've had was probably around 14,000.
Hey Lou, how much did you make last month?
Last month I made $7,000, but my biggest month here has been $16,000.
I'm gonna provide you with every single tool and resource that you need to succeed, and I'm gonna personally teach you everything about sales so that way you can master it and pick up the phones here and make a ton of money. That being said, I'm just looking for people that are motivated and ready to put the work in. If that is you, click the link and apply today. I don't want you to miss out on this high-level earning opportunity. The seats are gonna fill up. Don't wait, apply today. Guys, I'm looking to hire people. I have 3 guys working in my office right now. Back in 2022, I had 9 people working here, and 2025 is looking like a very promising year for wholesaling real estate, so I want to scale the company back up. I'm looking for salespeople. So if you guys are looking to join the team, make sure you click the link down below and apply today. I'm also allowing people to work virtually for our company, but I do want people that are also able to work in the Scottsdale office. But if you don't live in Arizona, still apply. But yeah, guys, let's jump into this meeting. Okay guys, I'm actually back on the phones myself, so I've been making calls to sellers trying to lock up deals. Primarily the reason why I'm making calls again, I was off the phones for like 2 years and my team was just handling all the calls to the sellers. But I wanted to actually start making videos on my channel showing you exactly how to talk to sellers. So twice a week I make phone calls where I record myself making the calls in order to put them on my YouTube channel to help you guys. So right now I'm gonna jump into making phone calls to motivated sellers, and hopefully we're able to lock up a deal. Let's get started making calls. Hello?
Hello.
Hey John, I'm calling you back. I missed your call yesterday. I think you were calling me about your property there on West Beacon, and you're looking to sell that property sometime soon?
What I'm looking to do, I need to get out of here. I've had surgery. I've had both my knees replaced. My body is not handling this place. I owe $280,000 on it. It's been appraised for $360,000. I'm looking to get the $280,000 out of it. I get 2 months to get out of here with no payment so that I can get all my stuff got out of here, get my daughter set up, and go down to Arizona.
Oh, sweet.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Our main office is here in Scottsdale, Arizona, so the weather's going to be nice once you get out here. So you're looking to get just the $280,000, just basically what you owe on the property, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, and then you want to have 2 months to stay in the property?
2 months, yes.
Okay.
Maximum.
Okay, that works. We can give you 2 months, but basically the property will get paid off. Your mortgage will be paid off once you are ready to move out. So in 60 days, in the 2 months. So we can do that essentially. All right, I'm running some numbers here to see if I'd be able to do the 280 on it. This is a grand slam deal. Like I'm talking, we'll make like 40,000 bucks at least. This is a home run. Okay, so we can definitely do the 280 and cover your mortgage, so the whole amount you owe. So do you want me to write up that offer and email it to you?
Yes, please.
Okay, what's your email address? Let me know when you get it.
Yep.
All right. So now there's going to be a spot for your signature and the date down at the bottom. Once you're ready to move forward. I got it. So awesome. Congratulations on selling your house. I'm going to sign it right now and send you back the final copy.
Okay.
And I look forward to doing business with you guys. That's how a deal is locked up. That is how it is done. Good first phone call. Let's get it. We made like one dial and then got on this call and locked up a deal right away. That is how it's done. All right, so guys, because it's a Friday, my virtual assistants that don't live in the US, they live in Mexico, they get paid on Fridays. So I go in here to our pay sheet and I go ahead and pay them. It shows me in the sheet how many hours they worked, their activity percentage. We use a tool called Hubstaff that takes screenshots of their screen while they're working every 10 minutes, and it tracks their keystrokes and mouse movements to see how productive they're being. So I get their productivity percentage, and as you can see this week, they're in the yellow, which is like medium productivity. But when they're in the green, it means they're above 40%, meaning they were super active. But as long as they're in yellow and they're not red, I'm happy. That means they're, working and being productive. So I highly recommend if you have virtual team members out of the country, they're not working in your office, or even if they're out in a different state, right? They don't work in your office. I highly recommend that you use Hubstaff to track their time and their work, so that way you're sure that they are doing a good job for you. So I'm going to go ahead and pay them. One of them makes $6 an hour, one of them makes like $4 an hour. So if you hire people out of the country to do admin type work, you're able to save a lot of money when it comes to hourly rates. So let's go ahead and pay them right now, and we're going to go ahead and give them a bonus this week as well. So let's go ahead and pay. I also use Wise Transfer in order to pay people out of the country. Wise Transfer is the absolute best payment method out of any of them. It's better than PayPal, better than Zoom. It's better than every payment method out there to pay people out of the country that work for you. So let's pay them, and then we will move on to the next thing. All right, guys, we're back here. I'm gonna work out and call it a day, but overall a super productive day. I was calling sellers and we locked up a deal that's gonna be between $30,000 to $50,000 profit. We also closed a deal for $7,000 out in Florida, so that's super amazing. I was able to meet with my content team to figure out a strategy for short form content and then plan out my uploads for my YouTube channel, so that's super good. And then we were also able to get those ads started for hiring people, running paid ads on Meta. So overall, a super productive day in my companies. If you guys like this video of seeing a day in my life of how I run my businesses and what my life looks like, make sure you go down below and comment that you want me to make more videos like this. If you like the video, also hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.